All right, here we go. Lesson 34, phonics. Say squid. Drop squ. What's left? Id. Say squeal. Drop squa. What's left? Eel. Say squeak. Drop squa. What's left? Eek. Say squeeze. Drop squa. What's left? Ease. Excellent job. We have no new spellings today, so we are just going to review. Ready? Dur, tull, ow, oo and you, ed, t and d, bull, I, s, oo and dull, I, ah, goal, e, pull. Good job. Let's go ahead and read our words. Ready? Look, sound, sort, ed, read, sorted. Look, sound, sp, I, read, spy. Look, sound, k, t, s, read, cuts. Look, sound, blouse, read, blouse. Look, sound, trot, read, trot. Look, sound, first, read, thirsty. Look, sound, round, read, round. Look, sound, soaring, read, soaring. Look, sound, phone, read, phone. Look, sound, scoot, read, scoot. Look, sound, sour, read, sour. Look, sound, unease, read, funnies. Look, sound, proud, read, proud. Look, sound, fried, read, fried. Look, sound, smelly, read, smelly. Look, sound, splint, read, splint. Look, sound, scout, read, scout. Look, sound, blooms, read, blooms. Look, sound, graph, read, graph. Look, sound, pride, read, pride. Look, sound, houses, read, houses. Look, sound, cloud, read, cloudy. Excellent job. Now we're going to do our syllables. Our first word is fitness. Snap it, fitness. All right, our first syllable is fit. We split them up between the two consonants. So we have a vowel, two consonants, and a vowel. And we put our split in between the two consonants, the T and the N. All right, let's read our second sentence. Our second word is sunlight. Snap it, sunlight. And this is a compound word, so we're going to, of course, split it between the two words, sun and light. But it also is a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern. So we're going to split it between the two consonants. Our next word is candy. Snap it, candy. In candy, we're going to split it between the two consonants. The D, N, and the D are two consonants. The A and the Y are vowels, so we mark it between the two. So can and then D. The next one is perhaps. Let's snap it. Perhaps. Excellent. And our second syllable is haps, because I have a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, and I'm going to split it between the two consonants. Our last word is doctor. Snap it, doctor. So my first syllable is doc. The second one is tor, because I have a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, and I split it between the two consonants. Excellent job. All right, we are going to go and write our words. All right, number 1 is sound. So I hear a S, which is an S, and then I hear an ow. And remember, in the middle of words, it's usually OU says ow in the middle of the word. Sound. All right, number 2. Number 2 is boom. I hear a B. Ooh. Remember, O says ooh. Boom. All right, number 3. Number 3 is high. And then I hear an I sound, and we practiced that not too long ago. That IGH says I. Good job. Number 4. Hold on. Number 4. Number 4 is wow. Ow. And this is ow, like sound, but it's at the end of the word, so it's going to be OW at the end of the word that says ow, not OU. Excellent job on your phonics today.